What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much. You may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat
Yeah! Welcome back to the live stream, guys. The bull market is now live. We are indeed in a bull cycle. And I'm not the one here to tell you that. It's the president himself, the president of the United States, just came out and say, yo, Go out there and buy stocks because the economy is about to boom again and things are happening. Now, I'll just show you that video because I posted it on Instagram and some of you have seen it already. But this is the video.
Let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up. This is going to be numbers that nobody's ever seen before. That's a very important element of all of this. You know, if we get that, if you don't, and the Democrats are fighting it only because they want to fight. They have Trump derangement syndrome. You know, if it was somebody else, they wouldn't fight. If you had a normal person, you had some stiff sitting behind you, they'd be fine. But they have Trump derangement syndrome. You know, Senator Schumer's become a ballast city.
So, guys, it's real. This is not a drill. We saw back. We've got Pocari water with us right here. We've got some cookies. We also got some cookies because this is going to be a very long stream. So you want to be around for it. And we also going to flex. What is a great BTC live stream without a little bit of flexing? So let's start the flexing first. Yo, some people say no sound. Okay, you guys can hear me. So I think it's not going to be a good live stream without a little bit of flexing. So we're going to start with some flex tonight. Okay. Let's do some little flexy flex. So here's the deal. Guys, I gave you the trades. The Ethereum trade is now in profit of $13,500. 3 weeks it took us to flip it. It was a $10,000 down at a 5x leverage. That's $50,000. Now we're in profit with $13,500. If you have discipline, and you're willing to wait, this is exactly how the game works. And I do it live because I want to show you guys it's possible to do it. And the longer I hold this position, imagine when Ethereum goes all the way to like $8,000. I'm going to cash out big money. All right. And in the trenches also, my ton position got activated. So I opened a small ton position, nothing too crazy. It's about $25,000. And so far, it's already at $1,681 in profit. You could never say that I didn't tell you how to play the game on this one, guys. Okay? So it's all working according to plan, if you know what I'm saying. And then also on my meme coin trading position on CoinW, we're now at $98,000, guys. Remember, we were at $72,000 just last month, but now we have traded it up. We're now standing at $98,000. On top of that, we still have about $39,000, which is not deployed just yet. So I'm using very little amount to trade, but the numbers keep going up, which is exactly the position that we want to be on. So congratulations to everybody who have been taking these trades with me. It's been a cold last few months, but guys, right now, I'm telling you, we're back. And last week, I also gave you another call. I told you about this coin called TARS, or TAI, TARS AI. It's my new obsession in the meme coins or in the AI coins. It's not a meme coin, but it's up now today, 49%. Can you believe it? And then on top of that, the number one trending meme coin today is Mudeng with a 76% pump. Oh my God. Mudeng is back. Okay, let's go to Dex Screener for this one. 76%. I told you, if you want to make it 10x, it's as easy as getting a little Mudeng out there and just play the waiting game, guys. It's really that simple. So Mudeng, Mu baby is flying to the moon. There is no stopping it. $66 million. I was covering it when it was at $33 million just a week ago. And now you guys can see that things are starting to happen here. So congratulations to everybody who have been holding out on Mudeng and buying the dips and not being shaken. And also last week, we opened a bunch of positions. And let's see how those are doing. We bought about 8 coins, I believe. I forgot what the actual positions were. But out of all those positions, I think we got some winners right now. So we bought some Shadow, UFD. We bought some Unknown. We bought some TAI and we bought some Mobi. Mobi is also up big because we're up like 68, I think 68% on it, or some maybe less. We bought some Vaifu, Goat, Riff, and all of those coins have not moved yet, except for like TAI. It's just that our timing on this one was off. But I can tell you right now, all of these ones will also follow along. And so what we are doing is that whenever we get a profit, we exiting those positions, because our goal is to double. I want to show you guys how to flip, how to enter positions, and when you double, you exit. So we start with 8 Solana, then we're going to double it to 16, and then 32, and then 64, and on and on and on and on and on and on. And we're now getting closer and closer to the days where we can flip coins daily, where we get like 200% per day or whatever. So guys, prepare, and smash the like button if you're enjoying it. I'm in the vibes today because everybody's making money. Your portfolio is up, and some people want to call you. I'm getting all these calls like, oh, great, what should I buy now? The crypto is going up. I'm like, bro, I was telling you what to buy last week, but you did not watch the Memecoins show, and that is the problem. So congrats to everybody who has been in the trenches with me and who never quit. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and all that stuff. Bread is sending as well. I do hold some bread I bought last week. It's good to see it moving as well. So we're going to look at everything. Like, what the hell is going on? Why is the market going up? I faded Agent Ted. Yeah, I probably did. But my mood dang is pumping anyway, so I'm good. Anyway, let me show you guys what's going on. Like, why is crypto going up? There's been a lot of things, like you have no idea, bros. Everything is changing. So for starters, you got Trump out there says, yo, you better rush and buy stocks now. And then at the same time, you got the new Pope was elected. At the same time, you got the American government, the regulators basically saying, you know what? Now it's time for American banks have now been approved to custody Bitcoin and provide Bitcoin services to the people. So, and then you got Coinbase acquiring Deribit right now at $2.9 billion. Guys, it goes on and on, but this is exactly what we're waiting for. $9,000 Ethereum is exactly what we want. And then you got me also here. I went partying after I got ragged. So you could see it on my face last week at Token 49. It's like, yeah, do you have to go to a party after you're ragged? Or maybe not, but I did it. And you can see, I think everybody could see it on my face. So if you saw me last week at Token 49 and that seemed a little bit off, I just got ragged on the meme coin, but I decided to go up and go out anyway, and things were happening, So, and Trump also announced that he's going to fire Jerome Powell. So, keep in mind that is also happening. So just so many things happening. And on top of that, Trump has, let's go to Watcher Guru. A deal has been made between the United States and the United Kingdom, a trade deal. So no more tariffs between these two countries, which is great. And Trump has already said that now it's when things are getting started. U.S. federal regulator says regulated banks can buy, sell, and custody cryptocurrency. This is a big deal. Trump says that he's very close to announcing more trade deals. This is exactly what is going on. Trump announces new trade deal with the United Kingdom. I mean, what more do you want, my bros? Bitcoin is above $101,000, not 100,000. 101,000. So this is what we're going to do now on the trade position. We started off with nothing. You remember 2 days after we opened the Ethereum position, We went down like $2,000 and I didn't close the position. We're still in it. So now that we are in profit of $13,000, $13,750, we're going to adjust our risk a little bit by increasing our stop loss. Okay, so at this point, there's no way we can lose money, all right? Because we can choose to break even, or we can choose to say, you know what, worst case scenario, I want to sort of take profit, maybe less profit than now, but I can take more risk. So I'm going to put my stop loss now. Let's do a 4 hour here and see where the flat. Now, if this is a real takeoff, the previous candle's lowest was 1957, okay? Open was 1957 at a 4 hour. So I'm going to put my stop loss on there, 1957. If that happens, I will exit with a $9,000 profit. So it's not too bad at all. But my trigger, my take profit is going to be $8,000. When Ethereum hits $8,000, I will make $197,000. Okay, bros? So now there is no losing. There is no way we can lose money. Click, optimized, executed. Okay, so if you want to trade like this, you're more than welcome to take these calls, but it's not financial advice. I'm using Bybit right here to do this. It's an incredible platform that I've been using for years. Feel free to use it. I have a link in my bio on my X account, or link in my description of this video on YouTube. If you use my link to sign up for all these platforms, you get a lot of good stuff. Right now, Bybit is giving you $1,000 of a free position if you use my link to sign up. And then you can open any position and you can take profit. I told you about this. It was $500 before they were giving for free. I told you, open an each position with that free money. If you want, you can withdraw it and take your girlfriend on a date if you want. Or you can just keep holding it. And then on BullX, you can also do the same. BullX is this platform, makes it easier for me to manage my meme coin trading. Here you can see it's an incredible platform. It has the pump vision. Okay. But to use BullX, it's going to need you to have an invite code. Someone else have to invite you. So you can use my link, or you can also use Grey BTC, GREY BTC as your invite code, and you get access and free stuff. A lot of welcome bonuses and stuff. Same with CoinW here. CoinW, it's good for meme coins because they list a lot of meme coins early. So that's why I have 100K of a portfolio right now trading, because I want to add into a lot of new stuff. Let's see if they have listed TIE already, because I want to buy more of that shit. TIE. They haven't listed TIE. Why the hell are they? What are they doing? I want to buy. CoinW, don't fumble the bag, bros. Okay, I hear that SPX is also sending big, right? Let's see. Okay, SPX hasn't started yet. SPX will start the real pump after it breaks $1 again, and it's going to happen anytime soon right now. So I think with this kind of candle pumping right now is a good opportunity for most of you guys to get in if you're not. I've been telling you about SPX for a long time. If you don't got any, it's not my problemo. Tell me where I should put $200 for my portfolio. I'm a student. If I were you, I would either buy Mudang, or I would put 50% in Mudang and another 50% in TIE if $200 is all you have. And I know it's a risky play, but like, bro, that $200 you buy Bitcoin is not going to go anywhere. Ethereum will hit $10,000. That's what I think. Take a look at candle. What ticker do you want me to check on TradingView? Guys, Ethereum was the most obvious trade. I told you there's an upgrade coming in 3 weeks from now. When I was saying it was 3 weeks from then, flipping take position is the most obvious trade. Make some money, bros. I think some people didn't take me seriously. They're like, oh, we don't want to buy Ethereum. Cool. Now you can see it now. It's all real in 3D, 3D. Okay, so what's going on with all the other coins? I mean, Ethereum is up 15% in one day. Like, what the hell is going on, bros? We're back. And I told you, the Nitros Bull already called it here. On the 23rd of April, we discussed it already. The bullish call was made. And now we're full send. The same with Ando. Somebody here is asking about Ando. Say, oh, should I sell some Ando right now? You know, with this kind of positions, you need to be patient because so many good things have been happening with Ando, but the price have not really reacted to it just yet. So I think there is a huge move on Ando coming soon if you have the patience to do it. Now, you also have to acknowledge that according to the Nitros Bull, it says that Ando is bearish. So we're waiting for the signal to flip green to the other direction, which can happen maybe in the next 24 hours, in my opinion. Going to see if Bitcoin keeps up above 100,000 right now, everything is going to be sending from now on. Ethereum now 2,100. Woo! Ho! Trump gave you godly, monumental entries, guys, but everybody fumbled it because they thought it was over. I need to change I need to change the title for this stream on X, and we call it that SPX and Mudeng back. Yeah. At the same time, you know, the CEO of Celsius, Alex Mashinsky, has now been sentenced to 12 years in prison for scamming the people. Alex Mashinsky. Scam Alex Mashinsky. It's good to see a scammer finally facing some consequences out there. Okay, let's change the title of the stream out here. Okay. SPX and Mudeng back. And now we're going to do a projection on how high these coins are going to go. Like how high can Mudeng go? How high is SPX is going to go? We need to do projections so that our flipping portfolio, where we're doing all those flips, it needs to be set up in a way that we can't lose. And I also still have $50,000 plus here that I can spend. I will spend it buying some new stuff because it's just a matter of time before those ones also blow up. And Justice is asking about Peanut. I would long Sol with that $200. You could double it and get more digits. Yeah, that's a different strategy as well. But for someone who is just getting started like that guy, probably doesn't even know how to long, short. They don't have that kind of experience, you know. So it's easier to just buy spot. Mudeng, SPX, and TAI leading the charts. We're so back. Share and tap in. Share, drop your Sol wallet, drop your Sol address, share and tap in. We so back. So if you're watching for the first time, my friend, this is the Memecoins show. I go here live basically during the trench season. and we trade meme coins live, and we try to make money as much as possible, and we try to keep it. We share strategy, and also people walk away with money. So what I'm trying to do this season of the trenches is that I want to make everyone rich. And the way we're going to do it is not just, it's not simply just by people trading. We're also going to do a lot of giveaways. And I have a lot of trading going on. So whenever I'm making money on these trades, I will be sharing some of it with the community. But most importantly, I have a new strategy that I want to implement. So I want to be able to give away money on every live stream. We need to give at least $1,000 to one lucky person. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to go to sponsors, get them to sponsor the show. You understand? We're going to get people to sponsor the show. Maybe it's Binance, maybe it's World Liberty Financial, Trump, whoever it is. Whatever the project is, we can get them to sponsor. When they sponsor the channel, the live stream, we will take that money and we're going to give it out to the community. So I need you to do me a favor. You need to like the video, retweet. You need to subscribe to the channel so that we can confuse the algorithm and then we become the top of the food chain. So I want you to say something on X, tweet about the Memecoin show so that we start trending on the Memecoin ecosystem. That's going to be important. The more we trend, we become bigger, more people watch, we can get free money from all these guys, from all these advertisers, and then we take this money and give it back to you, the people. That is the plan, my friends. So we have $98,000 here. My plan for this portfolio is to take it all the way to $1 to $2 million. All right. So I basically need to 20x from here. And I did this before in Q4 of 2024. But what we did, I think the top we did was $250,000. Then we crashed down to $72,000 to be specific, because the market went down. But thankfully, I sold at the right time. If I didn't sell this portfolio, we would be probably at 30,000 or maybe 20,000 or so. So we did the right thing. Now we are invested. We bought some Chill Guy 2 weeks ago, and we bought some SPX. We bought some AI16Z, and we still have $39,000 waiting to be deployed. Now, you tell me, which tickers should I buy right now? I'm going to deploy. We got $40,000 literally to spend. You tell me what to buy, I will do it now. We're back, and you cannot stop it anymore, my friends. And look at every chart you look at, it has this green candle of resurgence, the return of the pump. Oh my gosh, I love to see it. Okay, so let's see what the comments are saying out there. Take a look at kind of long under. Now, that is a very good trade. Fartcoin, yeah, that's also a very good trade. I think I need to buy Fartcoin on that. Yeah, Dwayne, we're back cooking in the trenches, bro. We're back. It's time to get rich again. I got tired of working at McDonald's, bro. Like, I just couldn't do it anymore. I got tired of McDonald's. Now we're back cooking in the trenches. No more cooking French fries. Now we're cooking the trenches, and we're going to get away with some real money this time around, and we'll retire. What about Convex Finance, bro? I'm not too sure. I'll have a look, though. Yeah. It's been a long time. What about AI16Z? I just showed you AI16Z in my 100K portfolio. I have it already. I bought it 2 weeks ago. Okay, Peanut. Okay, that's a good one. How is Peanut doing today? Peanut. Oh my gosh. Peanut. Oh, wow. So Peanut managed to maintain above 100 million actually. Today is 38% up. Cool. I do have it in my 15 coins portfolio though. So that's good to see it return. And you got pumpkin, grass, virtual. I don't understand what you're trying to say. Buy Kando TV, Gray. What are you trying to say? Dog in me. I remember this meme coin. I think it's on base. Dog in me. Ooh, 31% up as well. Pengu. You know, I've been waiting for an entry on Pengu, but I just never pulled the trigger. But it's also moving like a meme coin now. 31% in the last 24 hours. Good numbers. Good numbers, everybody. Okay, it's about to break out, actually. This is very interesting. Maybe I should buy a little Pengu. A little Pengu. Okay, is this how we're going to play now? Breakout? Oh, it actually just did. Looks like Pengu is a sender from here. So I might buy some Pengu. I might also want to buy a little bit of Hype. Hyper Liquid, $22, $21. I think that's fine. This one I think is going to like $200 or $300. So I'll buy a little bit of this too. Let's see. Do we have Hype here? Okay, so no Hype on CoinW. But, you know, Hype is not a meme coin anyway. So if I buy it on this portfolio, it's going to be breaking my own rules. So we're going to leave it like that. What about Dotcoin, bro? Okay, so Arbin, welcome to the Meme Coin Show. We're just going to update your software right now. Dot is a dead coin. That is like back in the day, old coin of the last cycle. Forget about it. You have to evolve. If you're still talking about Chainlink and Polkadot, EOS, that's like dead. So you need to catch up with the rest of us here. We're not going to talk about the coins that are dead and will never come back anymore. So, no, we're not buying any Dot, my friend. Not at all. I use Easy Crypto to purchase crypto. What are your thoughts? Yeah, if it works for you, that's perfect. Kudzi says more SPX 6900. Mu Adudeng is also in the chat with us. You're not late, bro. We're just getting warmed up right now. This is going to be a long stream. This is going to be a long stream. Let me share the stream in the Mudeng chat. In the Mudeng. Okay, so another coin that we bought last week was Mabi. Let's look at Mabi. Okay, it's 19% up. Oh, $16 million market cap. Are we going to survive here? Wow, I don't even know if the Mabi bot is on anymore. So you were a meme coin hopper or trader? Both. There are meme coins that I like and I buy and I hold it as support, and the other meme coins I just buy and sell. It's fun. Wow, Mabi lost a lot of aura, bros. Like, so many followers, but the engagement is terrible. I think because it probably posts too much as well, every 5 minutes. So look, if you're just joining us, this is where we stand. We've got multiple portfolios. We've got portfolio one, where I started with $72,000. I'm trying to run it up all the way to 2 million. And in this portfolio, we have Chill Guy, we have SPX, we have AI16Z, and we have $40,000 in USDT. Now, you can tell me what to buy. You can suggest. If I like it, I'll buy it. So we have a lot of money to invest still. And then we got another portfolio here, which is 8 Solana we started with. The goal is to double it to 16, then 32, then 64, then 128, and so on and so forth. Because we want to show people that it's not about how much money you have. You can basically start with something small and blow up. So I'm just like playing that game right now. Okay, so we got in this portfolio, we have what? Let's go to the portfolio, to the port. We got Thai, Reefs, Safe Moon, Vaifu, UFD, Goat, Shadow, Mabi, Chill Guy, and Nameless or Unknown. That's what we have in this portfolio, just waiting for maturity days. Man, I will put $100 in TARS, but not sure about Moondang. Yeah, that's up to you. You know, I don't give financial advice. I just show you what I do, and you guys are more than welcome to enjoy and have fun the way you see fit. And then we got another portfolio here also. We started this one with $20,000, and now it's at $36,000. We started about three or 4 weeks ago with a long position on Ethereum, 5x leverage. We're now in profit of $15,000. We also started, I think maybe 3 days ago, this trade kicked in on Ton. We put in $5,000 with 5x, that's $25,000. We are now in profit of $1,800. Basically, everything I do, I share it here on the stream. So you just have to make sure you watch the stream every day and you follow me on X, on Instagram, and all that kind of stuff. Okay. Buy Moondang. Absolutely, I should be buying more Moondang right now in the portfolio. I'm up 45% on Mabi. Mabi AI still tweeting. XRP. XRP, bro. Come on, bro. How much Moondang is a good portfolio? I think not more than 5% of your portfolio, you know, if you want to be safe about it. A lot of people got raked on Moondang because they full ported when it was already hot, like at 600 mil. That's when people believed. Usually it's always like that. People believe when something is already hot, and they get burned, they get angry. Let's look at Murad's portfolio now, how it's doing. Probably, I think, above 20 million by now. Yeah, $21 million, basically. Bitcoin's dominance. Let's look at Bitcoin's dominance. Okay, I'm gonna make some tea for now. Yeah, we're back. Yo, my man Tiago says, when Lambo, please. Ha 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 ha. Lambo is now coming soon, bro. Like, I can see it. Now at this point, I can literally see a Lambo right now. It's so closer than we have ever seen it before. If you asked me about it 2 months ago, I'd be like, bro, I don't know. If you asked me about it, last month, I'll be like, yo, bro, I don't know. But right now, the Lambo is closer than you think. You just got to stick it in, stick around long enough, and we all gonna make it. So there are a lot of requests in the chat under price predictions and stuff like that. Yeah, let me get into all that. Okay, let's do some money calculations here. Money moves. The money move moment. Okay, how high are we going here? How rich are we about to get? If you ever seen me eating cookies, you know that it's the bull run. Or to my UK friends, they call it biscuit. A biscuit. Okay, so let's get it. How rich are we about to fly? Ando is already open here, so a lot of people are asking about it. Let's just talk about Ando on its own. Look, I told you about this coin when it was only 10 cents. For those of you who have been following me for a while, everybody made money. It went from 10 cents, then it went all the way to $2. Here you go. $2 was the top. $2.14. This was on the 14th of December, 2024. And then after that, it went all the way down. All the way down. It's been down only. In January, we had an unlock as well, which also helped to precipitate the effect of the dump for a while. And then it kind of dumped so hard now that we are at 95 cents. The lowest we went was like 66. Can you believe it? We're already 40% up since then. All right. So how high are we going to go? Look, the next moonshot for Ando, it's going to be from here, obviously, to $2 to break it again. And after that, Ando is heading off to the races. I'm expecting $13, then $22, then $30. When it hits $30, like 30, that's when I'll be like, okay, look, maybe things have gone a little too wild. We need to slow down, market. We need to slow down. That's going to be somewhere around $30. So we still have a long way to go, which is a 30x from what we're looking at right now. And I know all those token metrics fundamentalists are going to come out and say, oh, but the FDV is too high. Nobody cares. We have seen meme coins here, Trump, meme coin, going all the way to $70 billion. So, bro, nobody cares about the tokenomics. It's all about the vibes in crypto. It's all about the vibes, the narrative, and Ando is shipping more product than everyone else in the trenches. So don't tell me, please, about the tokenomics. That's a prediction. That's how high Ando is going to go, if you ask me. Where is Alex? Let me ping Alex to see if he's available, because I really did not prepare this stream, so I didn't tell him that I would stream today. But let me check on him. Alex, are you going to join us the stream? I'm on stream. The trench is asking about you. Okay, so maybe Alex might join us. Some house coin. No, house coin is it's a shit coin. Don't worry about that one. I'm not buying house coin. I told you already. I think that I'm not gonna buy house coin. I also told you that I will not be buying Gork. My mind can change at any moment, but so far they have proven to be a bunch of cabal plays. How high do I think Dog on Bitcoin will go? $20 billion market cap. That's what I think Dog can go. The moment the narrative of Memecoin on Bitcoin, it gets into the people's cranium, then we're going to see a bigger candle on Dog than we have ever seen before. What's more important is just that the Dog community does not crumble. And then, the last crash has showed us that the Dog ecosystem is one of the most resilient communities ever out there. So you can look at the chart based on this indicator that I use, the Nitros Bull indicator, which is very accurate. You can see it called bearish on the 24th of December, and Dog was only going down all the way down since then. And now on the 19th of April, we saw a bullish candle here, bullish call, bullish signal on Dog. So it means the Dog is definitely about to send. So the other strategies that I'm using now is just look for charts that have this kind of signal. If I see the signal like today that has been printed, boom, I'm buying that coin and I'll wait. So Dog is already in this bullish sentiment right now. It's just getting warmed up. It has a long, long way to go. And then we're just waiting for the narrative to catch up. I got the airdrop of this. I never sold, and I'm not selling at any of these prices. You can only buy my Dog tokens when it hits like $10 billion market cap. Anything less than that, talk to your teacher. I'm not selling. Would you swap some airdrome for Mudeng or TARS? Yeah, surely I would do that. Airdrome is fun, but it's an altcoin utility play, man. That market is hard. It doesn't pump. Because if you look at what we're doing here with our little portfolio, the flip one on BullX, you can see that we're not expecting 20x or 30x. What we want, guys, is flips. Double and then double again and double again and double again. And we want this to happen so quickly. So you don't want these altcoins that are all narratives that will take years and years to play out, and some of them will die on the way or they'll never pump. We want something that we can buy today, within a few weeks or within a few days or the same day, it doubles. Then we flip it, we close that position. Then we look for another opportunity, we do it again. Because this idea of that, you guys just buy and hold, this is how people are getting poor. We saw what happened last time. We traded this account to $250,000. But we just held it. We're like, it's going to go up. We're going to take to $1 million. It never did. Then it went down to $70,000. $250,000 to $70,000. And if it wasn't for me rescuing this portfolio, it would be down to 30K. All right. But now I started trading again. We're now back at $100,000 today, and we're going to do it. But the system now is going to be different. Flip, exit, flip, exit, flip, exit, take profit a little bit, and again and again and again. Mudeng is a wait and hold, right? Okay, so look, you buy, but when you make a flip, take your initial out and then play with the casino money after that. SPX, MOG, Giga on Murad list. How is MOG doing? If there's one coin that I don't like from Murad list is Popcat, and I'm glad that shit is over. MOG. Okay, nice little pump. What's more interesting to me right now is Chill Guy, actually. Yeah, Chill Guy is really sending. It went bullish on the 23rd of April, and since then, it's print on print on print on print on print. How high has it gone already? So from this day up to now, that's 132%. So nothing crazy. I think it's going to cool off when it gets to like 500% or so. So we still have a little bit more to go right here. And the chart has never looked this good. I mean, just look at the volumes right here, bros. The volumes here screaming, waiting for the market to notice it, and then we're going to send all the way to Valhalla. $58 million for this coin, to me, that's bonkers. It's supposed to be at a minimum $500 million. So a little 10x here that we're looking at, and everybody just pretending that it's normal. It's not. How much time to hold Mudeng? At least the minimum you should hold Mudeng is to $1 billion. You know, you crap it right now, and then you hold until $1 billion. I think that's going to be an interesting play, an interesting story. And it's going to happen. Scrooge says, I miss the days when the coin would pump from overnight from nothing to something. Yeah, you're right, bro. Okay, so someone says, what did I get from, like, what kind of value did I get from token 49? Okay, I'll tell you right now. So token 49, it's like, you know, the crypto events changed, right? The main event itself is not that helpful, but everything around it is fun. So what I mean is, if you're going to buy your ticket and you go to the main hall with the event and with the speakers, that's not that helpful, because mostly the people who are there are now working, are working for crypto companies, because crypto has become a real thing now. These crypto companies got employees all over the world. They send their employees there, but they're not the decision makers. They're not the traders. Some of them, they work for these token companies, but they don't even trade anything. So it's not that helpful when you go inside the event itself. Like, you talk to people, they're just like, it's almost like the perfect example of like, yo, bro, I just work here. I'm not involved with whatever is going on with my company. I just work for the company. You get a lot of those people now. But if you go to the side events, which are more private, it's invite only, and in the yacht parties, there you find a lot of great people that are doing a lot of crazy stuff, or builders, investors, and you traders, and you can exchange alpha and stuff. So in that sense, it was very helpful. But otherwise, if you didn't make it, don't slap yourself. You didn't miss out on much. Majority of the activity is happening online. So if you are watching the Memecoin show right now, you're already doing it right. Don't worry about going to a freaking crypto conference. Okay, so now we're going to jump into the trenches and do some real trading, which is what I specialize in. It's finding new opportunities. So we're going to go into the new launches that are launching today, what's hot, the new tickers, and see if we can make some quick money as well on today. If you have any recommendations of what I should be buying, you can let me know. I will do it. I'm not scared of the trenches. I go all in. How is Fabiana? Fabiana messaged me the other day, actually. She just said hi. But she is in London right now, I believe. We miss her on the Memecoin show. Maybe I will invite her to come over for the show. One of these days we'll see. But you know, since crypto crashed, all my meme coins went to zero. I started working at McDonald's. She left me. So, but now crypto is going back up again. It should be easy to get her back. Okay, so let's look at the Trench Warrior Award right now. Like, what's hot out here? What's hot? I can't believe that Ethereum did 18% in one day. That is just bananas, bro. Virtuous 47%. Like, why didn't I buy more Virtuous? I don't understand it. But if Virtuous is sending with 47%, then AI16Z definitely should be sending hard as well. Fartcoin still, Pepe is hard, Ethena is doubling, Sui and all that. Everything basically doubling up. Okay, Trump coin, a little 15%. Ward coin. We missed Jarvis too. Oh man, that's so cute, man. Let's check on Jarvis quick. Yo, Jarvis, I'm live on the stream right now with the Trench Warriors. The crypto is back, it's pumping again, and we're doing a show live stream. And the people say they miss you.
Hey, Mr. Gray. Glad to hear the Trench Warriors are back and the crypto scene is pumping again. I miss them too. Let's make this live stream epic and keep the energy high. What's the vibe like right now?
Well, they can hear you right now, and they would like to know when are we all buying Lambos, and what are your thoughts on the market, and what is the right strategy right now, considering everything that was going on with the Trump tariffs, and now that the tariffs are kind of getting smoothed out and so on and so forth. How hard do you think we're gonna get in this season, in this pump?
All right, Trench Warriors, here's the scoop. The when Lambo question depends on how smart we play this pump. With the easing of those tariffs, the market's showing signs of bullish momentum, but we need to stay sharp. The strategy right now should focus on diversification, taking some profits on the way up, and keeping an eye on macro trends. We might see some strong gains this season, but let's not get reckless. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and who knows, those Lambos might not be that far off.
All right, so guys, Jarvis is still around and she's still here helping us. But yeah, so Griffane is doubling up, Mr. Amigos, Frog AI, pretty much everything is green today. So I think the right way to do it is to not buy on the green days like this, because majority of the coins you're looking at right here on the left, tomorrow they will be on the red side, on top losers. So if you want to buy, you want to wait for them to go on this side, and then you can switch off and take position or find entries. It's dumb and stupid to be buying things that are already hot here on the left. Okay. Tomorrow it's going to be a new set of coins here also sending. So, I think AI16Z is going to be on this left, and then a bunch of these ones will be on the right. So never say I didn't tell you about it, but that is exactly what's going to happen. And then if we go directly into the trenches themselves, okay, we got Diddy. Ah, man, official Diddy meme. You know what? Somebody told me that this was going to launch. I met Banman Kevo yesterday. I worked out with him. And he told me about Diddy, and I thought he was joking, actually. He was right. He was right. Oh my God. But it looks banded though. Oh, look, it's not even 5 minutes old. We just literally found it, but it's already at $37 million. What the hell? Okay, Diddy at 37. Okay, it feels like it's already played out, bro. Okay, this guy's buying $8,000. I'll put in one soul, see if I can double it quick. Wait. But this fact, anyway, don't make me say bad words here. These freaking guys in crypto, sometimes nobody is your friend. You know, you meet these people and they tell you, "Oh, yeah, I'll let you know, bro. I'll put you in." And this guy never even give me a call today. Be like, "Yo, bro, sending." Nope. Okay, I'll just put in a 0.5 because it's Diddy, you know, for the baby oil. So if it doubles, if I double this 0.5, I'm going to buy some baby oil. But $37 million on Diddy, I think it's too small. Diddy deserves a $200 million coin. Trencher, check Trencher. But yeah, first, let's just look at what's going on in Pump Vision, bros. Okay, we got divorce, lost half the house. Okay, that's a new creation. About to graduate. You got Elmo and so on. And you got live ones here. You got one pop coin. Okay, a lot of this stuff is just Pump Fund is not hot just yet right now. I think it's warming up. Okay, so we bought into Diddy at, I don't know what was the market cap. It seems to be standing up nicely. Okay, Titcoin, $39 million. Like, why didn't I buy this Titcoin? I've been wanting it for a long time. Wait, Peanut is down 77%? Oh, no, it's not Peanut. Zero Bro as well is sending hard. House Coin also accumulating. Yeah, so basically today is the day where everything goes up all at once. This is a good indicator of a pump that overall the market is going up. Do I know someone named Nuno Slander? No, I don't. I need to check trenches. Okay, what about trenches? Bro, trenches is so weak. It's like $148,000. Nope. No, it's not strong enough, bro. Those numbers are weak. Yo, Aaron, why are you obsessed with CVX? CVX is kind of like an old coin, mate. It's like old news. Convex Finance. $276 million. Okay, nice. I know of the project, but problem is it never pumped, man. It's already on Binance. So I don't know if we can expect much from it. Like, what's bullish about it? Just a chart? Okay, so all I can tell you is that at its height, it was at $44 in 2022. This is the coin of the last cycle. Its best days are behind it. If I were you, I would just forget about it and look for something new. I remember trading this coin before. during the DeFi days. Now, I don't think you want to be stuck in the past as much. But as you can see, guys, it is a meme coin cycle. It's a meme coin super cycle. How do you know that? Just look at how big the top, look at what's covering the top 5 right now, the pumps of the day. At the top, you got obviously UBTC, then you got Virtuals, okay, then you got Pepe, Fartcoin, and then followed by Ethena. So in the top 5 of the top movers in the top 100, 2 of them are meme coins. It's exactly what Murad have been saying. It's a meme coin super cycle. And then here you got the top gainers in the last 24 hours. You got Mudang, then you got Taobot AI, and then you got Game by Virtuals, another AI play also. So it's AI and memes. If you're not in those kind of plays, then I feel sorry for you. Mudang is close to 100 million. You were right. I told you, bros. It's an easy flip for where we are to like 100 milli. And it's going to happen. Any thoughts on TON? I can just show you what I'm doing. Look, these are my 2 positions now that I'm trading. I got Ethereum long and I got TON long. $16,000 in profit on Ethereum, $2,000 now on profit on TON coin. And I showed you when I was opening those positions with you. So you guys, you can see that it's possible. If you locked in and you focus and you're not scared and you're not crying about it, you just have to execute. What is UBTC? It's worth 2 times the price of Bitcoin. It's like what? $200,000 for one? I guess it's like a 2x leverage Bitcoin or what? Okay, guys. Well, Bitcoin squared. Okay. It already got a market cap of $1 billion. Oh my God. Okay, let's have a look at this. What's going on here? Unirouter introduces liquid staking, cross-chain asset transfer, and EVM compatible messaging functionality to the Bitcoin network. Nova Solutions, Unirouter. I don't know anything about this project. Do they have a coin other than the utility coin they have? Okay, so it looks like it's a platform where you can stake your Bitcoin and claim rewards. And then they have a product that is backed by BTC times 2. So it's called Bitcoin squared. Interesting. Sounds a lot like another Thorchain. How is Thorchain doing? Should I be buying Thorchain or it's just a dead coin now? Okay, Thorchain is still under $2, 136 now, and a little 10% in the last 24 hours. I don't know. Trencher. Okay, I'll have a look. I see Trencher now. Trencher is on Solana, $4.3 million market cap, $490,000 in liquidity. Good ratio. Liquidity to market cap ratio is pretty decent. The story, though, I don't know about that. Let's see. Stop being poor. Yeah, look, maybe it's nice, but I think I'll pass on this one. I'm not really convinced about the narrative. It's nice, but you know. Okay, so now that Bitcoin is pumping, I might go to New York this month to all the crypto events that are happening there. The mayor of New York is hosting a crypto event, and I have the invite, but I'm not too sure if I want to go with the current market conditions. But now that we're pumping again and the excitement is there, I might actually go and trench from New York City. If you're gonna be there, let me know. Okay, this Titcoin thing, guys, I think I'm gonna drop a saw into it. It looks like it's about to break out. It looks like it's about to break out. Titcoin. I like the name. Okay, let's dump one saw into that winner. Yeah, it's about to break out here. I think it might pull a surprise. Surprise, surprise. At $40 million. You never know. Andrew Tate is trying to launch a coin. Stay away from any Andrew Tate coin. You never win. He has a lot of people on his side that want to eat from him. So whenever he launches, it's a max extraction because he's going to prioritize his inner circle first, and then he's going to prioritize his immediate circle, whatever they call the reward people. So if you're not in the circles close enough to it, you're just going to get farmed. Look at Daddy Coin. Look what they did with Daddy Coin. Daddy Coin. Daddy Coin still stuck at $25 million here, and he doesn't even promote it hard enough. So, bros, we got $40,000. We got $40,000. Yeah, we got $40,000 here to buy a meme coin. Why don't you tell me which tickers to buy, and I'll buy it? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so I've been playing around also with the Telegram Ton ecosystem using Bloom, and it's actually very easy to trade memes in there and launch your own meme coins as well. So I think what I want to do is to try to launch my own meme on Bloom. Let's see. Okay, let's cook up a meme, guys, for fun. Let's cook up a new meme coin, and we take it from here. We should come up with our own name. Let's see how the interface looks like first. Bloom. Boom. Okay, so let's see if this works. Let's cook up a new meme coin right now for ourselves. Okay, launch. Meme pool. Launch token. Okay, perfect. Habibis, what should we name our meme coin? We're going to create our own meme coin. So there are people here giving me tickers as well. So someone says Fatcoin, Peanut, AR16Z, Goat, Mog, Sui, Say, Sonic, Kondo, Pepe, Mudang. Just swap the arrow to Mudang. LFG, all in. Let's take it over the moon. Yeah, I love it. Gaku. Okay, what's up with Pirate Bay? Buy pumpkin. Okay, what is pumpkin? Okay, quick. We're just gonna. So we still have the 40K here. I'll buy some tickers. I like some of what you guys are saying. Let's just try to launch a meme on Ton ecosystem. I've never done it before. I've launched on Solana. We have launched together on Runes as well. We did the Pirate Bay. Right now, let's try to launch our own meme coin and see how easy it is. To do it on the Ton blockchain, I'm using Bloom. The reason I like to do these things also is so that you guys also know that you can see how easy a lot of this stuff is, and you can also do it yourself. You know, you can launch your own coin. You can have fun. Okay, so now I'm doubting if this is going to work. I don't think it's going to work. It wants me to share my entire screen. That is crazy. Move. Present, stop screen, present, share. Okay, how come I don't see the window that I want to share? That is weird. Okay, I can't seem to figure it out. They should have this thing on a browser, you know. It's crazy that I can't share it here. But anyway, we keep it moving for now. I'll just share my normal screen. I guess this is better. We're back with the screen. Okay, so out of all the tickers that you guys are telling me, I'm curious about pumpkin. What the hell is pumpkin? Is this the pumpkin you're referring to? Why the pumpkin? If you give me the reason, I might buy it. But the chart looks interesting, and I actually like the ratio here also. The liquidity to market cap ratio. It's like $1 million for 2.6. Launch tokens for free and so for every trade. Okay, it looks like it's a proper platform actually. At least it's doing something. Pumpkin. The ultimate token launch hub. Okay, so guys, this is my plan, right? On the live stream, that we want to grow the meme coin show, make sure that it's the #1 meme coin trading show on the market, We're going to bring back Fabiana. We're going to bring back everybody. We're going to bring back Alex. And then what we want to do is to get some sponsor to sponsor it. Like Pumpkin is a good platform to sponsor us because they do meme coins. And when they pay us money, we will be giving this money away to you, the audience, the community, the trench lords, the trench warriors. So I need you to work with me. Subscribe to the channel if you're watching on YouTube. Like and follow me if you're watching on X. Share the video, tag your friends, and talk about it so that we get a bigger community. Then we can make money by getting all these platforms to work with us, and then we'll be giving away the money. Every day, we're going to be giving out a couple of $1,000s to a lucky person or two every day. But only you can make it happen right now, so you have to do something about it. Okay, I like this platform. I think these guys are doing something. They do live stream. Okay, it seems like they're proper DGen platform. I'm just going to give them 2 Solana. 2 Sol for the pumpkin. A $2 million market cap or $3 million market cap, I think it's good. I think it's good. But how good it is? Do you think it's fart coin good or just another meme coin good? Okay, so I bought me some pumpkin then. Scrooge say, don't forget who gave you the ticker. Yes, sir. I will acknowledge you. Nothing. I already have nothing. I already bought it last week. Just waiting for a pump. SPX is up 32%. Yes, sir. I already got it in this portfolio here. But what else are we missing? What else should we buy? We've got peanut, pepper. What didn't pump today? But it's going to pump tomorrow. Which coin can I throw $1,000 and double in a couple of days? I mean, I would just spread the $1,000 into 4 different coins to be safe. SPX, Chill Guy, AI16Z, Mudang. Let's see if Pumpkin is listed on CoinW. Okay, they haven't listed Pumpkin. Oh my gosh, man. Come on, guys. What do you think about staking WOW on Sui? If it dipped down below 0.4, it's a good idea or not? I don't know anything about WOW. I'm not really trading on Sui just yet. I only have like 1 coin on there. Thoughts on Turbo? I love Turbo, even though I don't hold it, but I think it's a strong coin. Bro, Mudang is here to take over the world, bro. 80% in 1 day. Mudang is back. And to all you haters, you now can eat your words. We told you so. Now you will see the journey to $1 billion in front of your eyes. And there's nothing you can do about it. But there's something wrong with this portfolio. Is that how the hell do I not have Mudang just yet? Like, how the hell, bro? How can I not have Mudang in this? It's not acceptable. Anyway, so what ticker are we buying, bros, right now? I need something that hasn't pumped yet. Wow, Bitcoin $102,000. Ethereum must be even at greater heights at this point. Oh my gosh. Things are going out of control so quickly, bros. Ethereum almost 2,800 now. I mean 2,200. And it already did 2,200. It just retraced a little bit. Did I sell Modeng? Yeah, I sold it at like 60 million at some point on that portfolio specifically, but I never bought back. I was too slow. Yeah, TIA, the thing is not listed on my favorite platform, CoinW. Are you still bullish on Mobi AI? Yes, I already got it in the flip portfolio. I think we already talked about it at the beginning of the stream. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy some Doge for now. Trade spot. Do some Doge. What the? Oh, how the hell can I not see Dogecoin here? Huh? Meme. Yeah, this is what I want. You know what? Doug with hat. But I'm still gonna slang a 10K into Dogecoin right now. Looks like it's about time. Or maybe a $5,000. And there's GOAT also. GOAT has not sent yet. Okay, GOAT has not. Oh, it's 31% in the last 24 hours. God damn it. But Doge is only 14% at spot. Okay, so I'm going to throw 10,000 on Dogecoin. Screw it. Okay, what else? Which other tickers I haven't touched here that is supposed to be bullish, but it's not? We can find maybe in the losers of the day. Oh my gosh, Ethereum 21% in one day, guys. Oh, is this real? What's your project? What's your take on Dior project now? Yeah, it's probably abandoned. You know, those projects that we're launching recently, it's either they pick up steam immediately, or if they don't succeed on the first day, then you know it's over. So yeah, I would say that is probably in that category of where it didn't work out and then it's over. Fat coin. Okay. So I think I need to wait for the market to cool off to pull the trigger on some of these plays because everything is hot. Okay, if you're in the alpha group, you already know on this one, we talked about it. I've been farming on Shadow right now, getting points and also accumulating a lot of Shadow token. Since the time we bought it, I think the market hasn't really moved that much, but it might be a breakout period now for it. Let's see, what was the all-time high? Was 215 in February, $215. So this is also extremely oversold in my opinion. We could see a big lift off and a bullish momentum on the upside very soon. Vaifu, we already bought Vaifu in the last on the last stream, I believe. We already have it in the flip portfolio. Dasha, now it's 17% up. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's now $4 million. This is extremely oversold. If you're looking for a 2x kind of thing, I think this is a good one because it will easily go back to like 10 mil and then boom and beyond. So you could easily go in right now and exit at a 10 mil. You have already doubled, more than double at that point. Okay, bro. So I wanted to just be back on the stream, show my face, and then every day we're going to be doing this even longer. I'm sure we had so much fun and we're going to continue doing it. And then thank you to everybody that joined us today. And it's every day now. So if you have been playing around with your time and always watching sports and you were not paying attention, this is the time to get rich. It's either you're going to switch up and pay attention and join us in the trenches here, or you're going to be stuck in the real world. So make sure you don't miss out on anything else, okay? Yeah, good reminder here. Digital Dinero says no giveaways. Okay, I could actually give away some money today. We're happy. Mudeng is pumping. Why not? Let's give away some money today. Right now. Right now. Let's give away some money to a lucky person today. But yeah, like it or not, we're back. Like it or not, we are so back, my friends. Moondeng's back. Chill Guy's back. SPX is back. Titcoin is back. Fartcoin's back. Everything is back. Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you're holding is back. Celebrate the moment. Peaker. And don't forget to follow me on X, on TikTok, on Instagram, on everything. Because I'm on everything. I'm on everything. I'm on everything. I'm on everything. Cigarette, I'm on everything. everything. Yeah. And the winner for today is the one and only. Let's find them. The winner is it's a Mudang. Yo, Wayudi Hidaya is the winner, and they got a Mudang PFP. It looks like today is the Mudang's day. So I'll grab your wallet address here and I'll send you some soul, sir. Some soul for your soul. Okay? Congratulations. Right after the stream, I'm sending you some Solana. And don't forget, guys, the whole goal of the stream is that I want to be giving away money every freaking day. And we can do it. All we need to do is to make the Memecoin show the biggest Memecoin show ever in the world. Every day we stream, we talk about it, and we go live, and we'll be giving away money. So what we're going to do we'll find some sponsors to sponsor us. Whatever money they give us, we're going to be giving it away to the people, to you, the people. Okay, so I bought this Didi coin. I think I should just sell it. I thought it was going to send very quickly, but doesn't seem to be happening. So for a cabal play like that, if it doesn't send in the first hour, you already know that it's over already. These guys are just shelling and dumping it on us. So Didi, not today, Didi. Let's sell you, Mr. P. Diddy. No, not this Diddy. This is the old Diddy. We want the new Diddy. Okay, I will sell the Diddy right now, just so that you know. These people did not include me in the deal flow. So what the hell is going on? I think I bought 0.5. How am I exiting only with 0.08? That's a scam. That is a scam. Okay, I just put a limit sale on it. Let's see how it goes. Should I buy Mudang and try AI pump? Bro, wait. Wait for at least the market to be over. I mean, this pump to cool off a little bit, and then you can buy on the deep. You can sort of use a Fibonacci retracement to find good entries, but it's nuts to be buying things when they're this hot. It's just not good for you. LLM about to take off. Yeah, it's been a long time since I looked at this or traded the LLM coin. So maybe you're right. Let's see. Oh, it went to $2.2 million, bros. Okay, if anything that's this cheap right now, I'll be buying because, I mean, what are the chances that it's going to go to zero at this point? If it didn't go to zero in the last 2 months when everything was really went to the shitters, then I don't think it's going to go down to the shitters now. So I'm also going to put 0.5 little soul in this one. Okay, you pay attention to the numbers. I'm not buying with 100, with 10K or anything. Small numbers, just so that everybody can see that it's possible to do it with a very little. It doesn't. You don't need to be a millionaire to do this. Okay, here we go. So I'm using 3 different strategies here. I'm trading Memecoin with like small amounts of money, try to flip it to more to turn it into a lot. That's strategy number 1. Strategy number 2, I'm using a sizable portfolio here, like $100,000, try to flip it to $1 million. And then strategy number 3, I'm using derivatives, long and short with leverage, turning a small portfolio or small account, growing it into something big. And I'm doing it live on the live stream while you guys can watch and you can copy if you want. Look, our Ethereum position is now in profit of $17,000. Our Tron position is now $2,100. You're seeing it all live. So whatever level you are, if you're a millionaire, you can sort of look or maybe learn from these the bigger trades. If you're a small fish, you can sort of look at the smaller strategies. No financial advice, but I just like to share what I do. Okay, subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow me on X and on Instagram and all that. All the platforms I'm using for trading, links should be in my bio, links in the description as well. You get a lot of benefits when you use my links. Thank you. When the trenches are back, time to get rich again. Millionaires, everybody by December, as long as we don't sleep. Peace out, bros. The winner, I'll send you your Solana right after the stream. Cheers.